Discover how to build a DIY solar water heater using copper pipes and a water can in this step-by-step video. This project demonstrates an efficient and eco-friendly way to harness solar energy to heat water. Follow along as we assemble the copper pipes, design the solar panel, and connect it to a water can for a fully functional solar water heater. Ideal for those interested in renewable energy, sustainable living, or hands-on DIY projects, this video offers practical knowledge for creating your own solar-powered water heating system.